this is the solution to the problem number 427. Is it in the file under the Java programming first part? But before I start, I just want to tell you that knowledge doubles when it is shared, so keep sharing the knowledge. The exercise template comes with two files, names.txt and other names.txt. Now we need to write a program that first asks the user for the name of the file to be read, after which the user is prompted for the string that they are looking for. The program then reads the file and searches for the desired string. So here first the name of the file is entered, and then the word or string is to be searched in this file. Right now, if the string is found, the program should print found. If not, the program should print not found. If reading the file fails, the reading ends in an error. The program should print the message reading the file plus file failed. So reading the file non-existent.txt failed. Now let's hop into the solution. Is it in the file? Okay, so there are two text files being provided to us. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, this is it in the file thing, right? So let's write it. So some template codes is provided to us, and the template codes has already asked us for the name of the file and search for it. Now we need to just read the file. So implementation of reading the file, right? So array list is not created, so let's create that as well. So array list of type string, and let's just simply name it list new array list. Okay, new array list is created. Okay, array list is important. After that, let's use our general try and catch block. Right, catch block prints something, right? So let's handle the exception and name it E. So the layout for printing the error is reading the file and then file name, right? So what we have to do is reading the file plus file name is input in file plus non-existent.txt or whatever that is, and failed. So this is how an error must look like. Now let's go and define a new define a scanner object, and let's make it file contents. So file contents equals to new scanner, and then we'll be providing with paths.get and the parameter file, that is the name along with the extension of the file. The name of the file is stored in our string file, and that's what I passed as a parameter. Now inside our try block, after that all I have to do is while, so file contents dot has next line. Okay, all you have to do is add it to your list dot add, and what are we adding is file contents dot next line. Okay, now after that coming back to the problem, it says that now this search for text must be searched. So let's implement the search, after which let's say implementing the search. Now there are two conditions here, if, right, and then else. Do this. Now inside our if block, if list dot contains searched for, right, contains RC actually searched 4, right? List that contains searched for. Then we have to print. What do we have to print? We have to print found with exclamation. Else all we have to print is south. Not found. Okay, yeah, not found, and a full stop. So yeah, then exception is handled here. So this file here is to be handled with e.get message. Okay, now let's try and run this. Select main class. Well, let's look at the files. We have names.txt, right? So names.txt has ada. So names.txt is the file of the name. Search for ada. Found. Let's play it again. And name of the file, since we don't have apple.txt, it should be printing search for apple. Reading the file apple.txt. Oh wait, so let's add a space right here. Now let's do it again. Let's add a full stop here as well, but name of the file names.txt, and then search for apple here. Not found, so let's just submit. I think we have sorted almost every problem given to us. Waiting for results from the server. Still awaiting. Okay, I'll just post on the server. Thank you.